Morning students, I am Sonu Sharma from Golden Public School. I hope you all are very fine. Welcome to our English class and today's our topic is lesson 4 and your lesson name is The Monkey Band. So take your English book, buzzword English for Schools, open it, page number 40. Students, we have already read the chapter in our previous class. Yes? So today we will do some work in our English notebook. So open it and let's start with me. So student, you have to mention here lesson number. LESSON lesson 4 and next line lesson name THE the monkey 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 band BAND okay बच्चे your lesson name is the monkey band. No, and we have make a sub index of this lesson. Sub index sub INDEX index, sub index. We have covered all these points of this lesson. First is dictation words. DICTATION dictation. Words WORDS words. Next is word meaning. WORD word meaning. MEANING word and their meaning. Point number 3, questions and their answers. Question answers. Okay. Next is make sentences. MAKE make sentences. SENTENCES make sentences. Okay student, now you have to make a picture of any musical instrument. ओके बेटा, आपको यहाँ क्या बनाना है? इस स्पेस में एक म्यूज़िकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट, जो भी आप प्ले करना चाहते हो, जो आपका फेवरेट म्यूज़िकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, वो आप यहाँ ड्रॉ करेंगे. मेक अ कलरफुल पिक्चर ऑफ द म्यूज़िकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट. ओके, मे बी गिटार, ड्रम, पियानो. ओके बेटा, जो आपका फेवरेट है आप वो बनाएंगे. नाउ टर्न द पेज. In this page we have to note down all these dictation words of this lesson. First is jungle. JUNGLE jungle. And our second word is throw. THROUGH, that is throw. Next is friend. R-I-E-N-D. Okay, beta. Next, our fourth word is beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. That is beautiful. Next is suddenly. S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y. That is suddenly. Our next word is branches. B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S. Branches. Okay, beta. And our next word is music. M-U-S-I-C. That is music. Next is guitars. G-U-I-T-A-R-S. That is guitars. Next is drums. D-R-U-M-S. Drums. Okay. Our next word is instrument. So right here, instrument. I-N-S-T-R-U-M-E-N-T-S. That is instruments. Next word, laughed. L-A-U-G-H-E-D. Laughed. Next is jumped. J-U-M-P-E-D. Jumped. Next, trunk. T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. Ground. G-R-O-U-N-D. That is ground. Next word is sound. S-O-U-N-D. Okay, बच्चे. Next word, brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. That is brought. Our next word, wonderful. W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L. That is wonderful. So one more time, revise with me all these dictation words. First is jungle. J-U-N-G-L-E. Jungle. Next is throw. T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Throw. Next, F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Suddenly. SUDDENLY, suddenly. Next is branches, BRANCHES, branches. Next, MUSIC, music. Next is GUITARS, guitars. DRUMS, drums. Our next word is INSTRUMENTS, instruments. LAUGHED, laughed. Next is JUMPED, jumped. Next word TRUNK, trunk. GROUND, ground. SOUND, sound. BROUGHT, brought. And our next word is wonderful, WONDERFUL, wonderful. So student, you have to note all these dictation words. Take a pic and send it to ma'am. Thank you. Have a nice day.